Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Ledger Live step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Ledger Live website. Locate the download button to get the application. Select the version compatible with your operating system. Download the application and wait for it to finish. Once downloaded, open the Ledger Live installer. Follow the prompts to install the application on your device. After installation, launch Ledger Live. When the application opens, select the option to create a new account. Read the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the box to accept them and click Continue. Next, choose the type of account you wish to set up. Decide whether you want to use a Ledger hardware wallet or create a software account. If using a hardware wallet, connect your device to your computer via USB. Follow any on-screen instructions to verify your device. If you are creating a software account, provide the required information. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong but memorable. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email shortly. Check your inbox for the verification message. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Ledger Live application. Log in using your email and the password you created. You may be prompted to set up two-factor authentication. Follow the instructions for enabling this security feature. After setting up, you will be taken to your Ledger Live dashboard. From here, you can manage your cryptocurrency accounts. Explore the various features and settings available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.